our objective for today. At the end of the video, you are expected to evaluate the function. So, before the lesson starts, what is the evaluation of function? Evaluation of function is the replacement of values of variable x with any element of the domain and computing for the result. So, we have the first problem here. So, f of x is equals to 9x plus 5, wherein x is equals to 5. So, we will replace the x of x by 5. 9 times 5 is equals to 45. 45 plus 5 is equals to 50. Wherein f of 5 is equals to 50.
You already know what is evaluation of function. So we have another example. F of x equals to 3x plus 1, where x is equals to 3x plus 4. So, 3, let's replace the x to 3x plus 4. Copy the plus 1. All we need to do is using distributive property. So, 3 times 3x is equals to 9x. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1. We have pair positive 12 plus 1 is equals to, copy the 9x plus 13. So we have a answer, f of 3x plus 4 is equals to 9x plus 13.
This is example of evaluating functions. Example number 3. G of n equals n squared plus 3, wherein n equals 8. So, G of n equals n squared plus 3, wherein n equals 8. So, yung n, papalitan natin ng 8. 8 squared plus 3. 8 times 8 equals 64. 64 plus 3 equals 67. So, copy the G of n. So, this is the answer.
Fx is equal to x raised to 2 minus x when nx is equal to 10. F10 is equal to 10 raised to 2 minus 10. F10 is equal to 10 multiplied by itself is equal to 100. Minus 10. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. F of 10 is equal to 90. Another question, number 2. When x is equal to 4, so copy and raise to 3 plus 6 parentheses 4 fx is equal to x raised to 3 plus 6x when in x is equal to 4. F4 equal to 4 raised to 3 plus 6 divide times 4. 4 multiplied by 3. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. F of 4 is equal to 88.
Another example of evaluation of function is f of x is equals to 3 times x times raised to the power of 2 plus 5, where the x is negative 6. Replace the x to negative 6. So we have 3 times negative 6 times raised to the power of 2 plus 5. Then negative 6 times raised to the power of 2 is equals to 36 plus 5. 3 times 36 is 108 plus 5. 108 plus 5 is equals to 113. So our f of x is equals to 113.
So we have another example of evaluating function. F of x equals 3x squared over x minus 2, where x is equals to 3. F of x, papalitan natin yung x ng 3. Fx. So, papalitan ng 3 si x. F3 equals 3, papalitan na si x ng 3 raised to 2 over 3 minus 2. 3 times 3, copy the 3 times 3 3. 3 times 3 equals 9 over 3 minus 2. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 27 over 1. So we have f of 3 equals 27.
We have our next problem here. equals to 2x squared minus x minus 3, wherein x is equals to x plus 3. So, next is we will replace the x to x plus 3. So, yun. Na-replace na natin ng x plus 3 yung x. Next is, dahil x plus 3 squared yun, means x plus 3, x plus 3. Ang x plus 3, pati x plus 3 is gagamitin lang natin ang FOIL method. So, magiging x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. And i-cancel lang natin to kasi plus 3 minus 3 is equals 0. So, magiging x na lang siya. So, 2 times x squared. So, dahil may same term dito, magiging x sila. So, x plus 9 is over x. So, the next na gawin natin is, i-distribute lang natin bawat isa. 2x squared plus 12x plus 18 is equals to 6. So, f of x plus 3 is equals to 2x squared plus 12x plus 18 is over x.
So, mayroon tayong last example. Qx Q na naman yung ginamit natin. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng iba't ibang letters, hindi lang F kung sawa na kayo sa F. So, Qx equals to x squared minus 2x plus 2, where x is equals to 2x plus 3. So, papalitan si x ng 2x plus 3 raised to 2 minus 2 times 2x plus 3 plus 2. So, 2x plus 3 squared. So, we have 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3 minus 2. So, gagamitan natin to ng distributive property. So, negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times 3 equals to negative 6 plus 2. So, gagamitan na naman natin to ng FOIL method. Equals to 2x times 2x equals 4x squared. Times 2x times 3 is equals to plus 6x. plus 3 times 2x is equals to 6x. Then, lastly, 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Copy the 4x, negative 4x, negative 6 plus 2. I mean, minus 4x minus 6 plus 2. Then, meron tayong same term which is 6x plus 6x. So, 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 minus 4x minus 6 plus 2. I-arrange natin to. So, 4x squared plus 12x minus 4x plus 9 minus 6 plus 2. So, copy the 4x squared. 12x minus 4x is 8x. Positive 8x. Then, 9 minus 6 plus 2 is equals to positive 5. We have a final answer which is g of 2x plus 3 is equals to 4x plus 8x plus 5.